Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Kroger digital coupons. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so redeeming Kroger digital coupons is a very straightforward process that can save you money on your grocery shopping. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do this. So what you want to do is create or log into your Kroger account. So you can either do this by the website or by downloading the Kroger app from the App Store or Google Play Store. And then from there, you want to link your shopper's card. So ensure your shopper's card is linked to your account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for a digital shopper's card through their website or the app. And then browse the digital coupons. So on the website, navigate to savings and rewards section, then click on digital coupons. In mobile app, open the app, tap on savings, and then select digital coupons. Then from there, load coupons to your cart. So browse through the available digital coupons, click on tap on the load to cart button next to the coupons you want to use. The coupons will be added to your shopper's card. And from there, shop at Kroger. So shop for the items as you normally would, either in store or online through Kroger's grocery pickup or delivery service. Step 6 here, use your coupons at your checkout at the checkout section. And now if you're in store and at the checkout, scan your Kroger shopper card or enter your phone number associated with your account. The digital coupons you loaded to that card will automatically be applied to the qualifying items. And if you're online, when you check out through the Kroger's online shopping platform, the digital coupons will be automatically applied to the qualifying items in your cart. And here's some tips here. So check the expiry dates on these coupons because these coupons can expire and get out of date. So ensure to use your coupons in a timely manner. Also, you can combine with other discounts if you didn't know this. So you can often combine digital coupons with other in-store promotions and manufacturers' coupons for additional savings. And yeah, stay up to date. Check the Kroger app or website for new digital coupons and also track your savings.